Welcome to A Taste of K. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this macaroni salad with beets. The ingredients I'll be using is 1 pound of the Tricolor Garden rotini pasta, beets, onions, bell peppers, frozen carrots with peas, mayo, Creole seasoning, salt and pepper, as well as parsley flakes. On the stove, I have 2 different pots that have water, and I salted the water. In this one, I'll be adding the beets. I'll cover and allow to cook until I can easily pierce the beets with a fork. In this pot, I'll add the pasta. I'll follow the instructions that is on the bag. I'll add an additional 2 minutes. I don't want the pasta to be al dente. I dice half of a green bell pepper, half of a red bell pepper, as well as a white onion. About 2 to 3 minutes before the pasta is done cooking, I'll add the frozen green peas and carrot to allow it to cook. Once the pasta is done cooking, I drain and set it aside. Once the beets are done boiling, I go ahead and drain the water, and I'll add cold water and allow it to sit in this water until it gets cool enough where I'll be able to touch it while I'm dicing it. Once the beets are cool enough so I can touch, I'll go ahead and remove the skin. As you can see, I am wearing gloves because beets will stain your fingers. I remove the skin and I'll use a knife to remove any other part that hasn't come off. I dice the beets into small pieces. In a mixing bowl that has the diced onions, bell peppers, I add the beets, Creole seasoning, salt, parsley flakes, as well as mayo. I give it a stir until everything is well combined, and then I'll add the tricolor rotini pasta. I stir the rotini pasta with the vegetable mixture until everything is well combined. I give it a taste test and make any adjustments. Allow this to chill in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours before serving. This pasta dish is similar to the Haitian potato salad with beets, but instead of using the potatoes, I switched it for the rotini pasta. Thank you for watching A Taste of K here on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now. Don't forget to hit the bell to turn on the post notification so you can be notified every time a new video has been uploaded. See you in the next video.